In this video, I will be showing you how to fix your corrupted or unplayable video that you got when screen recording. So I'll be showing you how to do this with the help of Untrunc. And let me explain you my scenario at first. So here I'm having a few videos, and all these videos that you see with a proper thumbnail are playable and they don't have any issues with it. But here I'm having a video and this is of 1.23 GB in size, and if I try to play it with VLC media player, it just keeps on loading forever. So first let me tell you why this video got in this particular state. So actually I was just recording with OBS Studio and I recorded for like 30 minutes or 20 minutes, and suddenly my system got crashed and the recording wasn't stopped completely. So when I restarted my system and I came to see that it wasn't a playable file and it was actually broken. So now let's see how we can restore this video. So first thing that you need to do is I want you to record another video in your OBS Studio or any other recording software that you used with the exact same settings. In my case, I have recorded this good video that lasts for like 5 to 10 seconds with the exact same settings that I used to record this crashed video. So let me just play this for you. Just my desktop, you don't have to be anything specific, just a 5 to 10 second video by using the exact same recording software that you used for the previous video. So now we will be having the broken video, and another one is the good video that we recorded for sampling. After doing all these, let's just go and install Untrunc. So for this, just Google Untrunc. We'll be having this GitHub link from Untrunc. Click it. This is an extremely famous repository. Just look at the number of stars. If you want to learn how they fix it or other instructions, you can just scroll through it. And here we are having the releases, right? Click it and just expand the assets. We are having this Untrunc x64. Since mine is a 64-bit system, if you want 32-bit, you can go with that. I will just click this. This will be getting downloaded as a zip file, just around 12 MB in size. And here we will be having the zip file. Just right click and extract the files. Once we are done, we will be having this Untrunc x64 folder. Open it, and here we are having the main Untrunc exe file. And now what we need to do is just copy paste or cut paste the good video that we took earlier as well as the broken video. So just cut this or copy it, that's your choice. You can just paste it over here inside the extracted Untrunc folder. So I will just do the same for the broken video also. The main idea is this Untrunc application file as well as the good video and the broken video, all these things needs to be in the same folder. And after doing that, click your cursor over here and type cmd. Just run this command, okay? It's going to be untrunc.exe space the good video file name with the extension. In my case it is good video and the extension is .mp4. Be careful with the spelling and the cases. Space next the broken video, which is broke.mp4, and just hit enter. And here as you can see, saving broke mp4 fixed.mp4, which means that it has successfully fixed it and created a new corrected mp4 file. So if I go here, as you can see, I'm having this mp4 fixed file over here, which is also of mp4 extension, and it's exactly the same size, 1.23 GB as the broken video. So now if I play this, you just saw that, right? This exact same video is playing and it's like a 20-minute video and it's now working fine, and the exact same video, the broke video, won't play, and this video has been fixed perfectly and it's playing in my VLC media player, all good. So this works for me, and if you have any other ways how to fix a corrupted video when screen recording, you can let me know in the comments. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.